You don't have any skills. You don't have money to invest. You don't have a website. You are simply a total beginner and you want to make money online. You want to see dollars coming from your PC. This video is for you. Stay tuned. Hi friends, I'm Hassan from Educate, and today I'm so happy to publish this video that I think it will help a lot of people worldwide, especially today in this hard time. So what is covered in this video? Simply, I will share with you 5 websites that you can start working with today, starting from today without any investment or skills, and you can start making money every single day. Not too much, like $2 or $3, but I think a lot of you will benefit from this. Now, to be honest with you, usually I don't publish videos like this. If you are following me, you know I publish real case studies, strategies, online businesses, and something really big. It requires effort and time to build a real business. But 2 days ago, I published this poll on my channel, and you can see 87% voted yes for this video. This is why I am publishing this video today. Before we start, I have 3 important points you have to know. Number 1, in the comment section below, we have a lot of scammers who may be using my name and my image to reply to your comments. So be careful from those people. It's not only here on my channel, it's spread all over YouTube. Second point, I want to remind you that we have a running giveaway, $500 cash giveaway that will end in a couple of days. So if you haven't joined yet, go now and join it. You will find the link in the description below. The third point, today I need a small favor from you. I believe this video may help really a lot of people worldwide. So do me a favor, like the video and share it so we can reach more people and help more people. If you don't want to apply the strategies, maybe you can help someone else apply it and maybe change his life and start making some dollars every single day in this hard time. So without talking too much, let's go and start with website number 1. So we have Picoworkers.com and Microworkers.com. Please, even if you know these websites, stick with me. I want to mention some important tips and other websites that really may help you. Please, it's only a couple of minutes. Stick with me and some patience. Here, Picoworkers and Microworkers allow you to do some small tiny gigs, small tasks, and get paid for. Now you know, here on my channel I try my best to test everything before I publish. So what I did is I hired one of my friends to test the platform for 9 hours. He worked on the platform for 9 hours to see how much we can make. So I can share this with you as a real case study with real numbers. So my friend worked 9 hours on Picoworkers and he finished around 41 tasks on Picoworkers and 5 tasks on Microworkers. And here are the results. You can see here we have $0.47 earned and 1.14 pending. So it's around $1.7 and Microworkers $0.1. So in total, 9 hours can make $2 profit. So what do you think? Is $2 worth working 9 consecutive hours? So it's like working the full day for $2. I don't know if this will help you or not. In my opinion, I believe it's a waste of time. Why? Because in 9 hours, you can do really a lot of things. You can build a business, a real business. Start a blog, monetize with AdSense. You can start affiliate marketing, start a SaaS business. Start something real that gets you at least between $10 to $50 per day. So I think those websites may help get some money to start a business. So maybe you want to get a hosting, buy a domain for your business. This will help you to earn like $20, $30 in like 10 or 20 days. So you can buy a domain and buy a website to start your real work online. So this is my opinion. It's up to you. You can try this website, test it, and do whatever you want. This is real. I tested it, and these are the numbers. Not too much, but I'm sharing with you a real case study so you can know how things work, how really things work. Don't let anyone scam you and tell you can make hundreds of dollars. These are the earnings from these websites. For around 50 tasks, you earn like $2, working 9 hours. Now let's move on to the other websites. I think it's somehow better, but requires some more work. Like 2 days ago, I was surfing the web, searching for some websites to share with you. I found this website, rev.com. If you go to rev.com/freelancers, you will see here you can earn money with captioning jobs from home. What is captioning? Simply, it is watching a video and writing what it said. So it's like a data entry job. You just listen and write what's there. And you can see here this website gets around 3.5 million visits. From the US, we have 50%. So this website looks legit. To be honest with you, I didn't test this yet. I didn't have time to test it. But if you want, I can do a full case study about it. Let me know in the comment section below. Or if someone is interested, just test this website and share it in the comments or in our Telegram group to help other people. By the way, we have a Telegram group where we can chat together and help each other. You can join, and the link is in the description below. So this is the first website. And a small trick, you can use this other website. It's called gotranscript.com. So you can buy the caption from here and publish it on this website. So it's like drop servicing. You can test it also if you want and share the results with us. The third website is called Cambly.com. Cambly allows you to teach English without a certificate. We go down here to become a tutor. You will see you can get paid to chat with people around the world. Just chatting with people around the world. So if you are good in English, this website is really perfect. You can make around $10 to $12 per hour on this website. And you can see you don't need any teaching certificate, any degrees, anything. You just need to chat if you are good in English. Also, you can test this and share with us the results here on the comment section or in our Telegram group so we can help each other and share our experience. So these are the 5 websites. I hope you got some benefit from this video. Please don't forget to join the giveaway. Share this video. It might help a lot of people worldwide. And don't forget, subscribe and like the video to see and watch all my upcoming updates. See you later.